Hello students, I'd like to show you one of this 6 week's projects. It's called What's the Difference? Some of you may want to call it Find the Difference. And you're going to be using InDesign, maybe Adobe Illustrator, and for sure Adobe Photoshop. Let me just kind of show you the key things about the project. There's a Word file called the fourth 6 weeks, and you'll find the difference or what's the difference instructions right here, and you're going to make a 4-page document in InDesign. You're going to use Photoshop to create the images, and you may want to use Illustrator to make some of the background in here. So here's the start of the document, and we have our first spread right here. Whoops, went past it. And we have a couple of photos in here that have some differences, like the green shirt versus the blue shirt, and the little fencing over here, and you can't see the fencing here. And you'll make some subtle changes in photos, and you'll make a little document, and then it could be a game that we play. Here's a couple of examples that has been created for us, and here's find the difference with these two, and then one with that movie that everybody likes, The Hunger Games, and then a more difficult one, The City, that has a bunch of so many changes, kind of hard to see everything. And once you have a working PDF, you could just go to the comment tab here, go to the circles, and you could start circling things that are different, like these cake pops right here are different, and this one.
It's 1 o'clock.
And that's basically the preview of the assignment. The first thing you want to do is work in Adobe Photoshop, and one of the things you could do is you could maybe add a little bit of the shirt, and that was done pretty easy by going to the first layer here and going to the polygon lasso tool and selecting around the shirt a little bit and just hit copy and paste. You can go copy and then paste, or you can use the shortcuts Command C, Command V, and so I pasted it on there, and you can move it with the move tool. Hit Command T to free transform it there, and now we have a difference. The shirt is the difference on this one. Then you'd want to take this jumping girl photo and you'd want to save it. And the way InDesign works is you want to have your main folder, the What's the Difference folder, your InDesign file, and your images folder here. And we already have Jumping Girl in here, but we would do all of the changes that we wanted to do and do Jumping Girl 2 or something. And like we had the Lady Mill and the Lady Mill 2, and save them in there, and we put them in InDesign. I'll show you that on the next video.